Kung Fu Panda 4 movie. How you doing? Yes! Got it or something. Oh. Yes! I'm strong. The Kung Fu Panda is
Are you
here.
okay na?
Welcome. Oh. Magsak. Let me get out. Guys, what we are doing? Guys. Kung Fu Panda. You. Bear. And macaroni cheese. You're gonna big fatty. And this coming in June 12, 2024. What? You know, Kung Fu Panda 4 has come.
Yeah.
Ayun. Kailan na yun nag-come?
2016 ata.
No. 2024.
Ay, ganun.
Because it's 4. You know, 2024 is 4. And bye-bye guys, bye-bye. Bye-bye guys, bye-bye. Music Thompson. And bye-bye guys, bye-bye. It's coming on June. Kung Fu Panda 4. And bye-bye guys, bye-bye.